Okay, so now we're done with our lifter boring operation. We left ourselves pretty much a 1.5 clearance, and we don't have to hone them because they're perfectly round and straight. We're using a carbide boring bar to do that, and so with the deck of the block, we're going to parallel deck it, surface it. That's what we're going to do here with our CBN inserts. Show you how that's done. Going to have to give it a nice mirror finish for the MLS head gasket. And you'll see the difference between the factory finish and our Superior CBN cutter. Also very flat, very straight, and